Hi there, I'm Jess Arce. I'm the owner of 3D Learning Experts. My video today, it has nothing to do with dyslexia, dysgraphia, or dyscalculia, which is what I specialize in. Today's video is about Hanukkah games. And Hanukkah is a time that family comes together and celebrates. And games are a great way for family to be able to connect generations. My family loves to play the dreidel, and we will talk more about the dreidel in a different video. So other games you can play are Hanukkah Bingo. And the way to play Hanukkah Bingo is you can create a bingo card, or you can get one online with Hanukkah related images or the Hebrew letters and use small tokens or Hanukkah gelt or anything you want, like just regular bingo, but you're going to call out the symbols or the images that are on the card and then cover them up just like bingo. That can be a great way for your child to memorize their Hebrew letters. Hanukkah memory game can be a Hanukkah themed matching game, again with Hanukkah symbols or just different symbols and using the Hebrew letters as well. And you just have two of them on the card, the little memory things. You could cover up your existing memory game with stickers or images that are related to Hanukkah. You can do a scavenger hunt and hide Hanukkah gelt around the house, and so the kids can look for it. You can tell them if they're hot or cold, and they can find the Hanukkah gelt and eat it when they find it. So Hanukkah gelt is basically chocolate candy in tinfoil, and so the kids, love to eat chocolate. Give them any excuse to eat some chocolate. You can do a Hanukkah relay race and use potato latkes or a dreidel to pass on the relay race. They could have the potato latkes in their mouth and pass it to the next person, kind of like an egg pass. That could be a lot of fun. You can also decorate a menorah, or one year my kids made clay menorahs. Unfortunately, it didn't make it in one of our moves and they broke, but they were just big hunky clay menorahs that they made and then they painted afterwards. That was a lot of fun. You could have them use glitter. You could glue on little shapes and gems and different things, whatever things your kids are into. You could do a paper menorah and just draw it on paper and have them decorate it with stickers and color it with markers. You could create a Hanukkah themed puzzle and have images and then cut it out, put it on cardstock and then cut it out and then pass it to their friend or their sibling or their cousin, and they can put them together, each other's together, or they can put their own together. Just make it lots of fun. And my final game recommendation is pin the candle on the menorah. You've got 9 opportunities to get that candle right where it needs to go. So much better odds than pin the tail on the donkey, right? I hope you enjoyed some of these fun ideas for Hanukkah, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you want to make sure that you see when we get new videos, be sure to subscribe below so that you get notified on the rest of our Hanukkah series videos. And we're always uploading valuable videos for parents of neurodiverse children to learn more about neurodiversities.